me. Bling, bling, then I saw them, that's the goddess in me.
You coulda had a bad bitch, not committal. Help you with your career, just a little.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Gwit. I'm back again to show you all how to install a lace closure sew-in. Right now I'm braiding her down, as you can see. Gonna get ready to put the cap on and get this thing started. Okay, so once you guys put your cap on, you want to spray it with your got-to-be spray. And after that, I like to take my liquid foundation and just pat it in with the sponge. So now I'm just going to sew the cap down and cut out the excess. Now I'm just going to take my elastic band and measure it. And after I measure it, I'm just going to sew it onto the closure. And right here, I'm just repeating the steps with the liquid foundation, making sure that it matches. So now I'm just going to take my ghost bond and I like to put on 3 layers. And after I'm done with that, I'm going to slide my closure on with the elastic band and then just sew it down. So now we're gonna do the baby edges. If you checked out my last video, you'll see that I used the got to be gel the last time. This time I'm gonna use the foam. I tried different methods just to see what's gonna be best for me, but when using the foam, you kind of want to work fast, because if you don't, it will make your lace lift, so you should be mindful of that. So now we're going to go through the closure with a straightening comb. But before we do that, I like to take a little grease and rub it on the hair and then go through with the straightening comb. I went ahead and sewed her hair in off camera, but I did want to come back and show you guys this part. I don't sew the hair onto the elastic band until I get to this part right here, and that's just to make it, you know, look more natural. You don't want to see the elastic band, you're not supposed to see it, so that's why I only do this part. And also, you don't want to sew all of your hair onto the elastic band because it'll be too tight for your client's head. Okay, that right there was just my heat protecting spray. It gives your hair a shine without leaving your hair heavy. That's why I prefer it. Oh, look at that scalp, man. Stop playing with me. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through with my straightening comb again, just to, you know, give it that little perfection. And once I'm done, I'm gonna go through with my heat protecting spray again and just curl it with my curling irons. look at that scalp, y'all. Oh my god. I had so much fun shooting this. My client loves her hair. This look is just everything. I hope you guys enjoyed it.